I got broads in Atlanta, just to get in the family. Credit card in the stamps, getting no dicks in the van. Legacy, family, wait and see the like a plan. Go on the back of my tongue, and the killings on the hands. Legacy, family, wait and see the
Hello, our people say, if life does not give you jollof rice, make yourself rice and stew and be satisfied with it. You know, I'm like a boomerang. The moment you throw me away, I am coming back. I am coming back. I am coming back. And it is not your business. It is not your business how I come back. So today, you know, I kind of like the way technology has gone over the past few years. I mean, just barely 15 years ago, if they tell me that you can take photo and look like, I mean, you can move from a rate of 2/10 in real life to a 9/10 just because of selfie, I will not believe. That is the great extent technology has excelled. But I'm not a rapper. Selfie before, you will use back camera. You will turn your hand like this to take a selfie. Then it changed to front camera. From front camera, it changed to you holding it like this. From there onwards, it changed to selfie stick. You will ask me, where are you driving to? But wait, I will get to the destination. Inquisitive cockroach. See, you can buy yourself a phone. Nobody's telling you not to buy yourself a phone. In fact, you can even buy yourself a selfie stick. But here is my problem. When you are the first person to buy a selfie stick and your phone is still the first ever camera phone made by Nokia, it is not allowed. We will not allow you. Because I don't understand. Like, how can you be looking like a cinema copy when you take a photo with selfie stick? Gods, the effrontery, for lack of a better word, the balls to put it online. Sister, God will punish you. I'm not. Thunder will fire you. It's not a joke. Then you put it online, caption it, thank God for a selfie stick. Sister, we can't even tell if it is a selfie stick, because how can selfie stick that's supposed to be straight, but due to the bad quality of your camera, it is looking like zigzag, looking like Indomie, for crying out loud. It is not allowed. Please take your time before you buy selfie stick. Go around your house, check under the pillow, check everywhere. Like, for crying out loud, look under the wardrobe, check for a little bit of self-esteem, and go and sell that selfie stick and buy yourself a proper phone. Then use your hand to take photo. That is why God gave you a hand before. Inquisitive, fragmented cockroach. Selfless goat. Good for nothing, die-hard fan of selfie. Baby, I want